Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
I lied a lot. You shouldn't buy one, not at all. Small balls, and you wouldn't have the big balls.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Well, today we're going to talk about the Honda Monkey Bike 125. Now, this is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't buy a Honda Monkey Bike. So let's get into it. Looks. I mean, no way does this bike look absolutely awesome, unique and really cool. No way does everybody stare at this and go, that's a cool little bike. No way. They all look at it and go, it's rubbish, it's small, it's poo, it's pants. Well, of course, you shouldn't buy one, not at all, because there's no way at all this tiny bike can be fun in any way, not at all.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
Now, of course, being a 125, it's going to sound like a sewing machine. It can't sound good. There is no way this bike can sound good. Now, there is no way that this 125 is going to be able to do the UK's national speed limit of 60 miles an hour because you're obviously going to struggle to get to 60 and you're going to just hold up a massive queue of traffic. And surely that's just dangerous. There's no way it can do it.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need.
It's got to be absolutely shocking around bends. I mean, come on, it's tiny. It can't be any good round bends, surely. It's like a toy.
It won't go away. I got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do.
Now, of course, there is no way this would handle any kind of cool green laning or any kind of fun kind of riding like that, because it's too small. It's not designed for it. In any way, would it be good at it at all? Having a small Honda monkey bike quite clearly means that you have small balls, and you wouldn't have the big balls to go, say, to a Harley Davidson dealership, would you?
I don't wanna feel this good just 'cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't wanna dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl.
Okay, I lied a lot. It's awesome. To be quite clear, it's my favourite motorcycle still of all time. It's a tiny bike, but it does everything you want it to do. It sounds amazing. It puts a massive smile on my face. It handles sublime. It's just cool. It oozes cool, and it's fun. And this 125cc engine is bulletproof. It would take me around the world. We all know it. And it will just go, go, go. And it will easily hold up with the traffic. This bike is my favourite. So ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the best ever motorcycle in the world, the Honda Monkey Bike.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy. Nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby.
Well, there you go, another absolutely awesome episode. I just want to say a massive thank you to all the people that hit that lovely red button and subscribe to this channel. Without you guys, this channel couldn't grow, and it's going from strength to strength to strength. So thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. also giving us a comment and a thumbs up. I massively appreciate it. I also want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. These guys are the ones that help support this channel every single month, and without them I couldn't keep this content coming as quickly as I do, and let alone afford all the equipment and all the stuff we need to make these episodes happen. So thank you so much to my patrons. If you're interested in supporting the channel in that way and becoming part of what I like to call the executive patron club, then you can from as little as £1 a month, and you go via the link down in the description to Patreon. You get to see the videos first, and you get your names in the credits of every single video, and do you know what, you get to comment on them first, and there's a live chat on there. It is really a Helmet Head sort of exclusive club. It is really cool, so please check that out. Like I said, a link down in the description, as well as the merchandise shop where you can buy the most coolest t-shirts in the world, and of course you've got things like the water bottle, the mug, all the stuff you see in other episode. It's all there in the merchandise shop for you to own yourself. So please go and click in the link, check out the shop, buy the mug that makes everything taste a million times better. Not proven or guaranteed. And then, of course, we live by 3 famous sayings on this channel. The most important sayings, the gospel of life, the thing that we all live by. And of course, that's eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers Helmet Head adventure. Bye-bye for now.
Tonight we're running on the right track.